Last lesson, we learned about the molecules of soap and fat and soap react together. And today, we will do an experiment about it. We need some milk, some food coloring, which is pink, blue, and green. We have soap and cotton swabs. Now, we added some food coloring into the milk for making the reaction visible. Now, I'm gonna use this cotton swab and stick into the milk. Do you think something happens? Do you think something happens, Arias?
No, it's all clean because there's no soap.
That's true, because it's all clean, nothing will gonna happen. Let's check. If I stick it, look at here. Do something happens?
No. No. Yeah.
Something happens?
No. No.
Okay, this time I'm gonna stick it into soap or dish soap and I'm gonna use it. Okay, do you think this time something happens?
Yes!
We have to stick it on the soap or dish soap and we have to stick it on here and you say something gonna happen. Let's check. 1, 2, 3.